Hi guys, this video we are going to learn of the in Power Automate APIs how to use the get API and post update patch delete. Actually, what is the main API? It is the interface between the application of the data to get easily fastly. We not to log in of the any of the application interface between it will call the application. I want this type of data. It will pick. If you seen like mostly I use it the JSON folder. If you want try means you can go on JSON folder typical.com. The data will be available. You can take and use it. In Power Automate, what I used the action invoke web service. This invoke web service, we have the I given the link or URL of that, and I'll use the get option. And here only you have the post connect head option delete twice and acceptancy and just get text into the. If you want to store in any disk file, you can give the and you give the path of that where to save. I'm just giving the variable to save that. In advance, just disable this encoded request body. Auto trust, everything you can enable that. Then might specify. Okay, then status code. It will come the status code. If it is 200, then convert JSON format like a given. But other than that, it will throw error on that. First, I'll run from the API of the get. I use the API. This is a air quality. Get API actually we use for the getting the information purpose. Then we can use the utilize that. And after getting it data, convert JSON to custom objects. It is actually data will come from JSON format, and I'm dividing into the custom objects. We already have the data and web service response and status code is. This is the response. We have the data this JSON format, and I converted it into the custom objects. Then frequently name and value will be available. The latitude, longitude, general, time zone, hourly, quality of the air. Then the same action I used it for the post. I changed the value of the post. Then post service, it will show. I used the JSON folder. That same thing. Then 2.1 it came and it's updated. Normally it has that transaction is 100. I given the 101 is to update, but it will not update in the servers. You see like here only 100 is there. ID is 100. I given a 101. Now it is updated 102, but it will not update in the server. If you use it real APIs, it will update. Then update. Here the one of the thing is update and patch. The main difference update and patch. Update whatever given us already, if there also it will remove that values, it will update that values on the headers. It will not check on any of the things. And patch, definitely which thing we need to update, we have to give that particular value, then it will update. It will not delete any of the things, but update it can do anything. It's updated. I given the ID one, it's updated on that. Then delete the same JSON folder. I given the delete. It's deleted, will get empty on that, will not get anything. Then patch, it will update. It's like which are the things we need, it will update like that. Then that's a normal thing. The patch, we have to give the body of that, and the patch method we have to use that acceptancy. Remaining everything is the same, just we need to give the body. Delete. This in the post slash one, that is the delete option we given. The same, everything is the same, only option is selected. I'm not given the request body for the delete. The update, then the which ID it has to update given the like. It's update. Then post. Post we given that is and JSON folder post updated on post. It's no update in the new ID. This JSON folder we have the multiple things you can go to. Just type in your browser, it will come. Post and get. This is the free APIs you can use on that. Just use this link and we use the update or delete options. Then we learn a lot about the API and how to use the Power Automate. The actions will avail. Will know the where the actions will be there API. I hope we all are got the what is the API and how we can use. Okay, thanks for the video. If you have any doubts, give me a comment. I'll reply to that. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.